Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to redeem codes in Archero 2 and unlock some free rewards. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need your game ID. To find it, open Archero 2, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and scroll down until you see your user ID. Now, just hit the copy button right next to it, and you should see a little pop-up saying copy successful. All right, next step. Open up your browser and type in Archero to redeem. Look for the official link that starts with h5.archero.habi.com and click on it. Once the page loads, you'll see a form. Here's what you need to do. Paste the game ID you copied earlier, type in your redeem code, and then enter the verification code you see on the right side of the page. If it's hard to read, you can zoom in a little bit. After filling everything in, just click the redeem button. And yeah, that's it. If the code is valid, your rewards should show up in your Archero 2 account right away. And that's how you redeem promo codes in Archero 2. Pretty simple, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like, maybe subscribe, and check out my other Archero tips and tricks. See you next time.